What makes me the happiest in the world?
Loving.
Loving.
What are you crazies doing? What are you doing, Casey?
Ready? Oh no!
I'm catching.
Oh.
Be quiet for me.
Ready?
All right.
And do that again.
Do it again.
Looking for loads or horse playing. Well, an unexpected trip to the, I know you guys can hear those sounds. Oof. We just used the x-ray machine. I have a, you can kind of see it right there, missing tooth. When I was 12 years old, a skateboard hit me in the face and chopped that tooth in half. So this morning when I was changing the alternator in Truck and Wise monster truck, felt like I had a bolt in my mouth. I was like, spit out my tooth. So that's why I kind of talk with my lip down anyways, because I've always been self-conscious of it. But we're gonna see if we're gonna get an implant or if we're going to do just another cementing of this tooth, because it has a post on it that screws in. So they're gonna see what they gotta do there, but that was unexpected of today. How you doing? All right, so we used this cool stuff. Made a little impression of my mouth. Yay. And we need to get some cleaning done. Really cool place though. And we're looking at about $2,500. But they're gonna actually give me an implant now instead of just this crown thing that I've had before. So it's coming down the road. So we're back smiling again. This tooth right here is a crown. Working on the monster truck, my sons call it, this morning, and felt like a bolt was in my mouth. I was like, what the heck just happened? And pull out and there's my tooth. So cost just $240 today, but we're gonna need an implant down the road, so that's what's coming. So yep, implants about $2,500. Come here, little boy. What's up, dude? Let me unlock the door. Come on. Got some new paperwork, an appointment. What have you been doing?
I'm seeing
My new teeth? Do you like them? Yeah, it's the same tooth, just re-cemented. All right, let's go. What do you want to do today? Want to go park? It's a little hot today. Whoa. All right, we should readjust this car. We're a little bit off. Okay, we'll go park, maybe the pool. We did get a load when I was at the doctor's office of all things. Coyote's playing hardball right now. C.H. Robinson is telling me that the market is changing and they're seeing a lot cheaper rates.
What is this?
Still Hell for My Worth, and I got that's for charging the phones, but it's the old one. But held my rate still, and we are back. I got $4, a little over $4 a mile up to PA again. So the new one's in the house. That was Mama's old one, so let's not break it anymore, okay? Because Dad, I put it in his race car so that I can charge my phone. All right, let's readjust the car. All right, we're gonna have to leave little man, but these two guys are gonna come, and you're gonna watch shows, right? Learn all your letters. So they're gonna come pick up some Sun Paper with us, and then doesn't deliver till tomorrow at 6 o'clock and late at night. So we're just gonna come back to the house, and I'll leave out early in the morning so we can have some park time. And we got a little operation we're doing today too with Truck and Wife. Tell me what you like. Say bye. Let's see what we got going on in here. What's the ruckus? Two dudes with goldfish. And playing games. And wow, Capri Suns too, right? You guys coming with Dad to work today?
Yeah.
Cool, dude. Back at Sunland Paper. If you ever come here, you see this little new asphalt right here where all the tire marks are. You gotta go over there first to check in the little side door. And as of COVID, Now you kind of call a phone number and that's how you get checked in. So you used to have to go into the office, not anymore. Can't see it probably. There's propane tanks on the left, and right by that propane tanks is the office. They just redid this asphalt. Wasn't like this before. I actually know a guy who works here too, and I saw his truck, so let's see if he's here. You gotta like these loads because they're nice and light. Paper products. Alright, driver's trash. Okay, alright. We'll leave it here and we will get checked in. What are you guys doing? So we're supposed to get into 22, but 21 and 20 have left in 22. There's no red or green lights in these docks, and he's got the curtains closed, and you can tell the load's staged behind that door, so I'm gonna get into 21 just so I can be right next to you. Yes, Kason?
I put something in that.
You did?
That black thing.
Okay, can you get it out so we don't get it stuck in there? So we're gonna get into 21, and then if we do have to scoot over 22, it'll be easier. Because we don't know what that goes to, Kason.
I don't know.
We don't know. What is it? Is it the blower?
No.
What is it?
I don't know what that black thing is called.
You don't know what that black thing's called?
Yeah, and I just put it in there, and I don't know what it is.
Oh, that's nice of you. So,
I don't know what it could have.
you don't know where it could go?
No, I don't know what it is for.
Oh, well.
How to turn it, and I didn't know what it
It had a turn and it didn't know?
is. No.
Okay.
But I like the wind from out there.
You like the one from out there?
Yeah, because it's warm out there.
It's really hot out there. It's 99 degrees on the
Yes, it is.
on the truck. So let's go back here and talk to these guys and see what we got. I'll be right back, okay? Please do not open the windows and let the hot air in, okay? You like it? Yeah. See what we got, because this guy's sleeping. Ha-da-da-da-da. Is he already loaded or he's still waiting?
He's loaded. He's waiting on the bill.
Oh, on his paperwork?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And then I'm supposed to go there next. Do you want me to go here or do you want me to go there?
That's where they got you right there.
So go there?
Right there. One load sitting right
That's what I'm getting? All right, thanks, man. So yeah, mine's all staged right there. So he is loaded. All right. So we're getting there quick.
Is that thing right there?
Yeah, it's an alligator.
Oh,
Cletus McFarland.
cute. It's so cute.
They got him.
Live action.
Did you see that, Casey?
Oh.
Oh.
They're doing a come.
They caught him safe.
He's way bigger than I thought he was.
And I think our buddy next to us is getting out of here, so.
He's almost 7 feet.
There he is, finally. Whoa, look at that alligator.
Wrestling?
Yes, baby.
You gotta,
I want to get one.
Steve Irwin.
You want to get an alligator? No, though I don't think they're very pet friendly. Maybe we'll get a dog instead. You want an alligator? Okay. Let's get into door 22. Columbus. There's Columbus. Nice to meet you, man. He came up and said hi to us, and we waved to him and said hi, right? And he said you guys were having some fun in the pool. Whoa! And we got. This is what he chose for a candy. More of them. Wow. For the what does Mama call them? The sugar bugs. Sugar bugs in our teeth. So we got to brush our teeth and not end up like that. Look who it is. Got a little special something going on today. Who's here, guys? Mama's here. Back at the old 446, the trailer. We just did our filming of a special event that we're very proud of and happy of, and very thankful for all of you who watch this channel for. But that'll come out in a couple days. In the meantime, let's get this back on the truck, connected to the truck. Now I'm gonna go home. It's about 5:30 right now, and hang out with the kids the rest of the night, get some sleep, and head out early in the morning. And might hit that beautiful pool for a little bit of sunshine, because we still got some left in the air, and I'm only about 15 minutes from my house, so let's ease into it. There we go, connected. All right. The things we do to go back to see our family. I should just head up to PA now, but reach 7 o'clock and go home and get some of this sunshine, enjoy the day, enjoy the babies, and head up tomorrow, because with the late drop tomorrow, I'm not going to be able to get anything on the truck tomorrow, so, or I might be able to, but I doubt it. So I'll just go up there and sleep and wake up early in the morning and head back down the mountain, unless something pops up there in Pennsylvania, but probably not. But this is the traffic I got to deal with, because it's 5:30, so we got a little bit of 85, 385 interchange traffic, plus the BMW plant's right here to the right at the airport. So please like and subscribe, guys. Comment, do whatever you want to do, all that stuff that all these YouTube channels ask you to do, but it really helps us grow our channel. We're almost at 20,000 subscribers. We just did a little skit for that, which should be dropping soon. In the meantime, let's talk to the main actress in that skit we just did. Truckin' Wife should tell you about our giveaway. Try to promote the channel and do a giveaway every about a month. We go about a month, and we wait about 2 weeks, and we'll do another one. So this is our second one. Our giveaway winner last time was out there in Tacoma, Washington, and loved it, gave it to his grandson, and it was an NES system, but this time it's a Hero 8. So here is Truckin' Wife to talk about that GoPro.
To enter the giveaway to win our GoPro Hero 8, all you have to do is click the link at the bottom, and it will show you all the steps you need to take. We do ask that you please subscribe, and if you already subscribed, thank you so much. But if you could go to our Facebook at Just Truckin', just like the YouTube, and maybe share one of our videos on your Facebook, we'd appreciate that. Thanks guys so much for all of your support, and it's because of you guys we're actually able to do these giveaways. We really appreciate everything, and thank you guys so much. Bye.
Check out the color on that Charger. It's pretty cool. Definitely aftermarket. Yeah, that's Truckin' Wife. That's the GoPro Hero 8 with a cool little bundle package from Costco. That will be going to one lucky winner, but all you got to do is, like she said, is like, subscribe, share a video on Facebook. There's even an Instagram, just truckin_IG. All kinds of stuff. But yeah, please like, subscribe. Thank you so much for the 20,000 mark, which we should hit in the next couple of days, God willing. God bless every one of you, and I'm always going to plug my mechanic at the end of our videos. They do not sponsor me, they do not pay me a thing, but they treat me like family, and I love them for it. They keep me going. So God bless everybody. We'll see you tomorrow, and on our way to 20K. You heard me talking about them somewhere in this video, so I'm going to put this at the end of the video. Here they are, Hey Guy Diesel. It's their phone number, Griffin, Georgia. They helped me do my in-frame in 6 days. And anything you need, they can help you get done. Great prices on the parts, OEM parts. Mostly dealing with Cummins, but they can do anything for you. God bless, and thanks, Hey Guy, for helping me out.